Hi y'all, welcome to Headbands with I'm Real Music Man. And this is Chloe. We're at a cousin's house and we're gonna show you how to make Oreo Truffles.
So the first step for your Oreo Truffles is we're going to smash up our Oreos. Now I have gone ahead and smashed up most of the Oreos, but you can help me here. Put the Oreos in here and we'll finish chopping up the rest of the Oreos.
I'll chop them up.
Okay. Whoop.
Yeah.
We've had a casualty. Make sure they're going right in there. Okay. Here. Do you want me to show you how I do it? I am known in my family because you may want to step back.
That's enough.
Are you sure?
Is that enough?
Let's see. Be very careful because we don't want to get any on the floor. I think that looks really good.
I crushed them.
Okay, so
we're gonna put the rest in.
So yeah, we're about to put the Oreos in, and then we'll put our cream cheese in, and then is when we get to roll them. Okay, so I'll let you do the honors. Be very, very careful. Does that look chopped up enough to you? Because I think I'm gonna do that just for a few seconds, just to make sure we get it nice and like sand almost.
Yes.
That looks good to me. What about you?
Good enough.
Okay. Well, we don't want good enough. We want the best Oreo truffles we can make. So I think this is gonna be the best. Okay. So I have a spatula right here for us.
Why do you have a spatula?
Just to kind of help help the cream cheese move along. Okay, and now we're going to mix for a few seconds, and then we'll stop and scrape the cream cheese and things off the side, and then we'll do that. So we'll do that until it's nice and thick. So you don't see any cream cheese without Oreo.
How many times have you done this recipe?
I have done this several times in the last year. I started doing this last Christmas, and then this summer I started doing it and making money selling these, because these are considered my specialty. See how it's really clunky? We don't want it to be clumpy like that.
You want it to be clunky, but not that clunky.
Well, see, look at all of this cream cheese that doesn't have very much Oreo, and look at all the Oreo we have that doesn't have much I just smashed
cream cheese.
Right. So it's going to take a while for that to get nice and mixed up. And we could use our hands, but sometimes, because it takes so long, it's just easier to use a machine.
Yeah. It's moving a lot.
It is moving a lot. And we can speed it up, but I don't want to get Oreo all over me.
Yeah, if you do it a lot, it'll make a tornado.
Yeah, and we do not want that.
Yeah, a tornado oil. Then we have...
See, look. Doesn't that look good? That looks pretty good. But
how long do you usually do it?
A couple minutes.
Ooh, that.
Oh, and rolling them out. Rolling them out takes a long time because you need to make sure they're all the same size. Here.
All the same size?
Mm-hmm. You want them all to be the same size so that you get the same number every time. I usually try to shoot for around 50 in one batch. So that's what we'll try to do today. Okay, now is the moment of truth. We're going to try just a little bit and see if we think it's the right consistency.
You try it first.
Do you not trust my cooking? Here, try it.
Okay.
Boom. Very good. So now we're going to start rolling them out into balls about, let me see, that's not a good size.
Yeah, bigger than that.
Yeah. You don't want to skimp. About that size. Okay.
Hey, you need to make it actually balls. So video on? So we mixed up our cream cheese, and here's how it will look. And Mia wanted the balls about this size. So let's get to work.
Are your hands nice and clean? Okay, good.
Let's just add a little bit of that.
So get it in your hands. See how I have it? No. Put it on the tips of your fingers. And then take it from the tips, like this. From the tips of your fingers and just kind of roll. And you'll get faster and faster the more and more you make this recipe. So that's a great excuse to make this recipe for just about every event, is that it'll take practice. These that I'm making right now are going to go to a New Year's Eve party, but I have also made these for Christmas parties, Valentine's Day celebrations, 4th of July is really good, really any kind of holiday, birthday, yeah. And especially when we get to the chocolate part, you can put different kinds of sprinkles on there. Yeah.
But what about the ones with the white chocolate stuff?
Well, you can still do different kinds of sprinkles. White chocolate is good for 4th of July, because then you can do red, white, and blue. Or Valentine's Day, because then you can do pink.
Look, red, white, blue.
Well, yeah, but I have red, white, and blue sprinkles that I put on mine. Here, let's make them bigger than that, okay?
Like this?
Yeah, that's a good size. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you know what 6 times 7 is?
I don't know times, but I do know pluses and minuses.
Okay, well that's 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. So 46 is pretty good. It's not quite 4 dozen. With just 1 package of cream cheese and 1 package of Oreos, we've created almost about 4 dozen Oreo balls. I think they're going to be really yummy. Our next step is to put these in the fridge. From this point, what we're going to do is I'm going to melt the chocolate in here, and I'm going to have all of our truffles that we just rolled out sitting right here. I'm going to dip the truffles into the chocolate and place them on this wax paper, and then you're going to be the sprinkle guy. You put the sprinkles on the truffles.
I think it should be almost halfway.
Yeah, that's pretty good. And you can use any kind of sprinkle that you want, but today oh dude, that's like all of them. You just used all of them. You just used all of them.
Tell me a little.
I don't know. But today we're using Christmas sprinkles.
So I'm gonna have to put a few on.
Yeah, be careful. Don't put a whole bunch on everyone.
We'll like the recipe below.
Now is the hard part. We have to melt this chocolate without burning it. So.
How do we do that?
Well, we'll do it in the microwave. We'll only do 30 seconds at a time, and we'll stir after each one. And the whole time we're gonna leave those in there because we want them to be hard when we dip them. Not hard, but firm. And we don't want them to be soft because we don't want them falling apart on the chocolate.
Yeah, like when they do that, we don't want them to slip either. I missed the sprinkle guy.
Okay, if this doesn't work, I'm gonna have to go to the store because we don't have any more. So we have to be very careful because it's going to melt fast. And we may not be able to dip all of these right now.
You be the dipper, I'll be the sprinkler.
Right. Now we're dipping. Once you get the hang of it, it's not too hard. But it's the first couple of times making it.
There, how's that?
That looks perfect, but remember you don't have very many sprinkles to work with. Yeah, 1 or 2 just right on top. Just to give it a pop of color, not too much. Just something to liven it up. Do you have plans for New Year's? Can you count down until the ball drops? Do you know what that is?
Yes. It's where this ball is on the top of the building and it's on TV and everybody stands around and the countdown and the ball drops.
Do you know where the ball is?
Not quite.
It's in Times Square in New York City. So my friends and I are probably gonna stay up and watch that. And then who knows what will happen as the night goes on.
Perfect.
Yep, you're doing a great job as the sprinkler. I, however, need to step up my chocolatiering game.
We'll come back to y'all when these are finished.
Well, thank you for watching. If you have any questions about this recipe or you are going to make them yourself, leave a comment down below and I will respond. Thanks for watching again and subscribe. Hit that little bell for notifications. And Happy New Year! Okay. You ready to try one?
Mm-hmm.
Is it good?
I will. I want you to look at the camera and say this is a great recipe, especially for new cooks, because it's only 2 ingredients.
What did you just say?
Say this is a great recipe, especially for new cooks.
This is a...
No, wait. Remember, you can't talk on top of me, because, okay.
This is a great recipe for... What did you say?
New cooks.
No, this is a great recipe for new cooks.
It's easy to make in jail.
A crook is a thief. Somebody in jail. It's an easy recipe for new cooks. Try it again. Okay, try it again. The whole sentence.
This is a new... What did you... I'm supposed to say...
Oh, for Pete's sake. Try it.
What am I supposed to say?
Okay, come on, do it.
No, I don't.
This is a great recipe for new cooks.
This is a great recipe for new cooks.
No, say it right, please.
This...
Oh!
Oh my goodness. This thing, you can't lean on this thing, buddy.
This
It's got wheels.
is a new recipe for new cooks. Cooks.
Okay, do you want me to say it?
This is a new recipe for new cooks.
No, this is a great recipe.
This is a great recipe for new cooks. Cooks. I mean.
Bigger than that.
I just like doing it in the palm of my hand because it's easier.
You might want to add some more to that one. He's looking a little sad. You want them all to be the same size so that, well, I guess you're not selling, but you know, if you're trying to make money, if you're trying to make dough.
I'm trying to make money.
Well, yeah, but you can't steal my recipe, man. I've got the market cornered.
Yeah.
Tell her what happened last night, how you made money.
How do we?
The restaurant, after they left.
How I made money yesterday, I made $1 before, when you left, I made $1 out of just opening doors.
Oh, how did that happen? Did you have a sign around your neck that said, you know, hire me?
I didn't have any sign.
Is that a good size? Would you eat that Oreo ball?
No way, no. How?
A gentleman gave him $1 for being a gentleman and opening the door.
Oh, wow. See, when you're cute, you can get money that way, but then when you get to be my age, they don't pay you for being cute. To melt this chocolate without burning it. So.
How do you do that?
Well, we'll do it in the microwave for... It's not funny! It's not funny!
Chloe likes to burn chocolate.
That is not true. It was one time. You weren't even there. Neither were you.
Oh, I know the story.
Yeah, it's only funny because Grandpa ate it.
That's his problem.
So, we'll only do 30-second